Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions. Make sure you own the Google Sheet or have edit access so connectors can authenticate. Next, set sharing to the right scope, either specific emails for privacy or anyone with link for easy access. Once done, copy the sheet's URL. If you need just a table or range, select the range and copy that link. This first step prevents permission errors later and establishes the exact source location your app or import is going to read. You now move to the application that will read the sheet. Sign in with the same Google account used to share the file, because OAuth ties access to that identity. Then, in the app's connector, choose Google Sheets and paste the sheet URL or sheet ID. Specify the tab name and exact range like Sheet 1, A1, D100 so only needed data is pulled. Once you test fetch the data, review column headers to ensure they map correctly before automating further. Finish by configuring updates. Set a refresh schedule or webhook triggers so your link stays current. Make sure headers are locked and data types set in the destination to prevent schema drift when new rows arrive. If something fails, pause and troubleshoot. Recheck the sheet's sharing settings, re-authenticate the connector to refresh tokens, and confirm the sheet ID and range were entered correctly. This one troubleshooting tip: always re-authenticate first, fixes most permission-related link failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.